Hello guys, my name is Malik. My message number is 2180378. So for my integrated transportation feature, I would like to do the warship. This is as you can see, this is pattern like what we call aircraft carrier, right? So for the aircraft carrier, as we know in Malaysia, there is no aircraft carrier yet. But I would like if the Malaysia would buy one or make it one. But in my design, I would like to tell you that is this aircraft carrier not only just ordinary aircraft carrier, is plus can also make as a destroyer, as not as a destroyer, as a function for the frigate concept lah. Then first of all, I would like to tell you about the centimeter, the lebar dia lah. So as you can see, this is 26 inch. As you can see, 26 inch. And this one 11 half inch. Okay, and the height is about 7 inch. Okay, so later I will put the subtitle. Then next one, the material that I use for this model is plywood. As you can see, this is plywood, right? And this one also plywood. It's as a bridge. Then this one is thick. I used to make it as a antenna lah. There's next one, as you can see, this one is a water bottle. And this one as I want to only to make it stick. So this last one, aluminium tin. I use the aluminium tin, reusable. And the money that I use zero, because I use the material that I had only around the house. So this one, the function, I would like to tell you that this is as a bridge, this one, and this is an antenna, and this one is aircraft. Look, there is 3 aircraft in our warship. So there's a lane for the aircraft to take off, and can you see there's two lane, right? This one also. This one for this one straight for the take off, and this one for the if you want to parking or something. Then I want to tell you that under the deck there is a ballistic missile and cruise missile. This one cruise missile too, but I want to put there because it can take off, it can launch easily, right? So for the ballistic missile, I would like to put here because for my concept, is a ballistic missile. It's maybe can put 1 or 2 only because it's big, right? So below this bottom, there's an engine room for the forward this ship. So I hope Malaysia have one kind of this ship, because we did not have aircraft carrier yet, right? So I hope they get one lah. So that's all from me. Thank you.